In this video, I will show you what is new in Neets Project Designer 1.6. I will show you a new and improved device list, how to export system connection diagram and interfaces for use in your project documentation, the improvements to the send email function, improvements to add-in output and screen controls, the addition of Sierra 2, and improvements to central control. With Neets Project Designer 1.6, the device list has been improved. Filters has been removed from the ribbon, and is now located inside the device list. And you have the possibility to create a list of favorite devices. Let me show you how. Here I have opened Project Designer. And you will notice that the filters is no longer available in the ribbon. It is now all located in the new device list. The filters consists of a connection filter. Here you can filter by the connection type you need. It is also where you can find your peripherals and NEB devices. In approval you can filter by who certified the device. So if you only want to see Neets certified devices, then you can set it here. You can also set how you want the list sorted. By device type, by the manufacturer, or when the device driver was last edited. When you have your preferred filters set, then you can save them as default. Now I need to find a projector, which I know is controlled by LAN. I set the filter for network connection. And use search to find the required device. The filtered search result is shown here. You can also see that 6 devices was found outside of the filter that you set. If you move your mouse over one of the devices, you will get a list of details for this device, like the number of sequences for the different connection types: infrared, serial or network. You can also see who approved the device, when it was last modified, the file location and any description for the device driver. When you add the device, you will still be asked to choose a connection type, if the device supports different connections. If you have a device that you use often, then you can add it to your favorites. Simply right-click the device and choose Add to Favorites. And it will be shown in your list of favorites. To remove a device from favorites, right-click on the device and remove it from favorites. Neets Project Designer 1.6 now allows you to export system connection diagram and graphical interfaces to images, so you can use them in your project documentation. Let me show you how. I have opened a large project that I need to document. Project documentation is located in the File menu. When selecting documentation, you will be asked to select a folder to save the files in. Select your folder and click OK. Project Designer will create a folder with images of all your graphical pages, keypads and connection diagrams. Now you can easily use these images in any project documentation you are creating. Each page has its own folder. Neets Project Designer 1.6 now includes support for send email in any Neets control system with network capabilities. And the email itself now supports dynamic fields. Let me show you how. Here I have a project with a projector connected. I want to do some feedback for this projector. I want to send a status email each time the projector is switched off. Therefore I create a feedback for when the projector is cooling. Now I add the send email function. First I enter the address that should receive this email. Then the subject of the email. And then the content. After lamp time, I would like to add the lamp time of the projector. Therefore I select the lamp time from the dynamic content list. And click Add. You can see a code has been added here. This will be swapped for the lamp time when the email is sent. You can add more dynamic content if you like. When you are done, then click OK. And the email is ready to send. Add-in output or screen controls has been improved. You can now drag an output or screen control directly to a button. Let me show you how it works. I have opened a project with a projector, screen and one I/O output. I would like the screen to go down when the projector is powered on. To do this I drag the screen control to a source button. Now I get an option to have the screen to react only when the projector is powering on. If there are more devices, I can select what power state the screen should act on. Now I just need to set the screen to go down. Now the screen control has been added to the power on action tree. You can do the same for output control. The power on actions for this device is the same for all places this device is powered on. With Neets Project Designer 1.6, you have the ability to create Sierra 2 projects. If the control system is not available to you yet, then you can be ready with a project when you get the first unit in stock. Neets Central Control now supports even more control systems. Add in the Sierra 2, Alpha 2 and Delta. Neets Central Control will show the status of the native keypad, NEB keypad or I/O keyboards. We have included many other changes and improvements in Neets Project Designer 1.6. See the full release note for further details. Thank you for watching. Find more information on neets.dk.